We got some KFC wings here. We also got the local chicken shop wings. Gonna review which one's better. Having a look at the KFC wings, you can see, they look quite crispy, you know. They're hot wings. I had these before. I don't think they're hot, man. We got the local chicken shop wings. They give us like the drum bit in it. No crispy looking things. Looks kind of dusty, you know, but like, go give it a try. Local chicken shop wings. Taste test.
Hey, they call me Dan, the chicken man. Except my name ain't Dan, so let's get right into it. That's pretty good, you know. Decent chicken.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah, it's got some seasoning. It's not alive. You got bone in there. Chicken has bones, yeah. Tastes like chicken, very good. Let's just try some of this KFC chicken.
That's a big piece there, man.
That's not that bad. Very good. I'd say that this chicken better than this chicken. Oh my god, there's hair on it, Jesus Christ. It looks more crispy. Doesn't look as crusty. Crispy, not crusty. That's how I like my chicken. Just like I like my men. Now, thank you for watching. Good chicken.
Yo, sub to him, yeah. Spencer Armstrong, links in description.
So we have Spencer Armstrong here after just eating some chicken wings, looking on point, eating some chicken wings. So Spencer, could we get a review on the aftertaste and before taste on the chicken wings, please, from KFC and the local chicken shop?
Well, I'm just having PTSD right now. They just stole my chicken wings. So it's like, they stole my chicken wings. Like, who does that? Like, who steals chicken wings? Who steals chicken wings? Okay, I'm done. That was some good chicken wings.